Mug.
This is a mug. It is used for drinking tea.
Cup. This is a cup. It is used for drinking tea. Ladle. A ladle is a big spoon used to scoop up food or liquid. Serve food to others. Measure ingredients. It's commonly used for soups, sauces, and cereals. A whisk is a kitchen tool used to mix, blend, beat foods and liquids together, like eggs, sauces, and dressings. In simple words, a whisk is used to stir and mix things until they are smooth and well combined. Glass. A glass is a container used for drinking liquids, water, juice, milk, etc. Storing small items like pens, makeup, or jewelry. Displaying decorative items like flowers, candles, or ornaments.